Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Teresa and this is Teresa's Life Budgeted. And today I'm excited we're working in my pink binder, and this one saves towards our property fund and our debt payoff fund. So if you're new, the way I play in here is we've got 6 games and I'm going to roll a 6-sided die to see which one we're going to jump to, and then I'm rolling a d4 to see which one we're going to scratch off or where we're going to go. Most of them are scratch offs, but we've got some other stuff in here too. So let's go ahead and get started and see where we're going to start. I've got $100 that we're bringing in and quite a few new games in here. I'd say about half of them. So spot number 5, and hopefully we'll finish some today too. So for spot number 5, we've got If I'm Moody, Give Me Foodie, and this is from Kimmy's Corner. I think I had a little bit of a shadow. But all right, so we got a 4. Let's see. Hopefully we'll finish this one. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got 2. This is a save 24. So let's put 3 back and grab a 5. And then we'll jump around and see where we're going to next. All right, next we're going to go to spot number 3. This is a new one in here. This is from Save with Glow, and it's Toy Mania. It's going to save us $36. So 2, 1, 2. All right, 8 to get us started. Nice. Hope everybody had themselves a wonderful 4th of July. I am actually recording this on 4th of July, so happy anniversary to me and my husband. Oh, we got number 3 again. And we got a 1. All right, 3, 4, 5, and 5 for 10. But yes, so I'm excited. We are actually going to be leaving shortly to go to a fair and go to some fireworks. So should be a good time. I'm pretty excited. My husband actually planned it, so kudos to him. All right, so spot number 6, we have Taste the Rainbow from the Messy Budgeter, and we've got 4. So let's just start with this one. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. D3. Let's go with a blue. And I don't have a D3, so we will just roll our D4 until we get 3 or less. And we got a 2. Okay. So $2 going in here. This one we've still got a little ways to go on. Next, we're going to go back to number 5. And we got 3. So 1, 2, 3. And we got 3 there. Yep, it's been a nice day so far. Pretty easy going. I went and got some groceries, and mainly we're going to go have some fun this evening. So I'm looking forward to that. Go see a really big fireworks show. Alrighty, next we've got our game day here from Doodle Dollarz, and I got this off of her Etsy account. So we got a 1, so we're going to go ahead and scratch this first one for the uniform. And $4 to get us started. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1 again. All right, and we got a 3. 1, 2, 3 for batter up. And a 3, so let's put 2 1s back and grab a 5. I picked this one out because my nephew plays baseball, so made me think of that. All right, spot number 4. Alrighty, I'm really excited to hopefully finish this one. It's our Happy New Year 2026. It's our last one we got left. And all we have left on here is 2 6s. So let's just go ahead, color one in, and pull our $6. Do we got enough? So let's go 7, 8, 9, 10, and a 10 for 20. And then we've just got 1 more 6 left. So I'm really hoping we'll finish this one today. All right, spot number 6. And we got 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So a D6. So we got a 3. It's kind of fun now that I have all the different dice that we get to play all the different things. So let's put 7 back and grab a 10. Next up, we've got spot number 3. our Toy Mania. This one's getting a lot of love today. And then we got 2. So 1, 2. To Woody and Jessie. 4. Let's put 1 back and grab a 5. So we're already up to $15 on there. Nice. Spot number 2. This is another new one. This one is from Budgeting for Me, and I purchased this off of her Etsy account as well. And this has the numbers 1 through 9, but I don't know how much it's going to save us. So spot number 1 to get us started. All right, $6. I'm super excited because I have this whole week off. So it's my birthday this week, and my husband and I both took the week off, so we get to just enjoy a little bit of summer together. I'm super excited about it. So then we got 1, 2. So we got another D3 here. So let's roll that D4 again and see. Got a 4. So let's go until we get a 3 or less. There's a 3. Perfect. So $3. Spot number 1. Our game day, we got 4. So I think we're at 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know how I picked those numbers, but yeah. Got our shade there for $1. Spot number 1 again. We got 2. 1, 2. All right, we got 2 for our team spirit. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 5 for 10. Condense as we go. Spot number 3. Man, our Toy Mania is getting all the love today. So we got 1, 2, 3. All right, let's put a 5 back since we got a 5 and grab a 10. I just love this one. I think it's so cute, and it's a freebie on her coffee, which is so nice. All right, spot number 3 again. Oh my gosh. I don't want to finish it all on the first go, but I mean, I guess. The dice have spoken. That is a 1. That is hard to read. Getting old. Plus, my eyes just never worked good. I've always had bad eyeballs. All right, spot number 6. We got 3. 1, 2, 3 for a D6. And we got a 2. Okay. Gonna have to bring in some more that are coloring and just numbers because we'll need a new catch-all once we finish this, our other one. All right, 2. That's what it was. Get it together, Teresa. All right, spot number 5. And we got 1, $2. Hopefully, we will get one more on here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 5 for 10. That was our last 10, so we got one more there. Spot number 6, and we got 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We got another D3. Getting all the D3s today. So we got 2 for that one. Let's see, can we condense a little? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, lots of 1s there now. Spot number 3. Woohoo! We get to finish one. Yay, yay. Our last 6. Perfect. So let's see, what do we got now? This one saved us because it was a mystery because there was rolling saves. It saved us 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 6. $106. Awesome. And this is going towards debt. Nice. This was our catch-all, so we're going to have to bring in a new catch-all next time. So, $106 towards debt, though. That's so awesome. That's going to go on my husband's car, and I am super excited about it. All right, where to next? back to number 3. Our Toy Mania is getting all the love. So now number 4 will be a dealer's choice. So if we get 4 again, I'll just pick where I want to go. So 4. I think we went there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, this one's almost done already. We only have 2 left. I was not expecting it to go this fast. I'm expecting to get a little more enjoyment out of it. Goodness gracious. Ooh, another yellow one. That looks like a 7. I'd like double check, make sure that was a 1. But yes, $7. So 5, 6, 7. So only 2 left. Oh my gosh, look at all the blue I just got on my finger. All right, spot number 2. There we go. This one hasn't gotten much attention yet today. And we got another 1. $9. Nice. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we just got some 1s left now. Spot number 3 again. And we got 2. So 1, 2. I will be both happy and a little disappointed if we finish this one like in our first time using it. But hey, it is what it is. All right, spot number 4. That was the one we completed. So I am going to do spot number 5 so we can finish this one up. And that is a 3. So this is a save 24. We've got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And this one is also going to debt. So yay! We are going to have a nice big debt payment this month. All right. So now 4 and 5 are dealer's choice. So spot number 2. What do we got left? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's see what we get. 2. So 1, 2. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got $5 left. Let's see where we're going. Spot number 3. Okay, we're finishing it. We both started and finished this one today, which, you know, bittersweet. And it's a 6, which is more than we have. So I'm going to have to pull out an extra $1 from my spares for the month. Because you know me, I hate an IOU. I can't believe we did all of this already. All right, so we had our 5. Hold on for just a moment. Okay, here's our extra $1. So let's see, what did we end up with for our Toy Mania? It should be $36. We've got 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, $36. Okay, so this should be 20, and then I'm going to switch it out with something that's got a 20. We've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. So, perfectly done. We finished it up, so we're going to put that 20 back there and grab it. And what is this one going towards? This one is going towards property. So, property did get a little bit of money this week, which is nice. I can't believe we finished this already. I'm definitely going to have to bring in some more higher value ones, I think, because it goes fast, it seems. Alrighty, friends, that was a fast one, but fun. We got our Toy Mania. We both started and finished. We finished up our last of the New Year savings, and we finished up our If I'm Moody, Give Me Foodie. Alrighty, friends, that is going to complete it for us today. I hope you had fun watching this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Hit subscribe if you haven't yet. And I hope everybody had themselves a wonderful 4th of July. Alrighty, friends, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.